Here is how to easily fix can't download applications from Play Store problem. Especially when you click download, the progress bar will show, but there won't be progress at all. It will appear to be paused, or worse, it downloads and stops halfway. If you have experienced this problem on your Android device, don't worry, it is fixable. You can fix this problem by following these steps mentioned in this video. You just have to follow these steps in this video. They are in no particular order, as one will work for you, because those are the possible fixes for this problem. But if you haven't tried any one, you should try them one by one. One must surely fix your Android Play Store problem. Steps to resolve this can't download applications from Play Store problem. 1. Restart your phone. 2. Clear Play Store cache and data. This is done to remove temporary clutter. To clear Play Store data, open the Settings menu and tap Apps or Application Manager depending on the Android phone you are using. Select Google Play Store. Go to Storage. Select Clear Cache. Also select Clear Data and tap Delete to confirm. 3. Reset Download Manager for Samsung phones. To do this, scroll down and select Download Manager. Then check that it is enabled. Click Force Stop. 4. Uninstall Google Play Services Update. To uninstall Google Play Services, go to Settings, Applications. Select Google Play Services. Then on the 3 dots at the top right side, confirm by clicking OK. 5. Uninstall Google Play Store Update. This is under Settings, Greater Application menu. Select Google Play Store. Select Google Play Services. Then click on the 3 dots at the top right side. Confirm by clicking OK. 6. Remove and re-add Google account, mainly for Samsung and Chinese phones. To this, go to Settings and select Cloud and Accounts. Select your Google account / remove account. To add it back, select Accounts under, select Applications. Enter your Google account and password. Accept the terms and conditions. 7. Ensure there are no applications related to Google Play Services or Download Manager in the disabled applications list. If there is any app, enable them. Those are basically all the steps that will fix this problem for any type of Android phone that has Play Store. If it doesn't work, you can try other steps like factory format and installing firmware if your device is rooted. Ask your questions below. If any worked for you, please comment the number that fixed your Play Store and your phone's name plus model. It will help other viewers quickly fix theirs. Hopefully by now your device should be working normal. For other steps and the text version of this video, see video description. Share video and like.